Looks like there's rain up ahead, like there's a crack in the heavens. Feels like my day could be turning, like I can tell that my luck's gonna change. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down, but that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Feels like the walls are closing in. Looks like I'm on my knees again. Looks like the tables have turned, like there's a change in the weather. Feels like my time is returning, like I'm about to get out of this cage. If you could see me now, I'd probably let you down, but that's enough for me. You got me begging, baby. Looks like I'm on my knees again.
So, just been to Grandpa's 90th. We got my boy here.
We got any mints?
EDJ on the decks.
How's the day been so far?
Yeah, good. So we're in a Swiss village right now. There's no data.
It's called Grindelfell or something.
No one asked you,
Grindelwald.
Asha. It's Grindelwald. Okay, boy.
Don't laugh, that'd be embarrassing. Put your seatbelt on!
No!
What? The first house we lived in when we moved here, which was Bald Hill Road. And there's some big, beautiful old houses up in there. Eden loves his studies.
Eden's
Still in the car.
Dad's buggered off over there. I'm not having it.
Bye.
Right, I'm gonna find the others.
Why are you going right? I would have gone left.
This turning circle. Oh, this turning circle. Oh. Can you even go this way?
I don't know. Alright, look at that. I don't think they're here.
You reckon?
No. Do you want to drive any more manic?
It's supposed to be manic. It's a car harness. I'm gonna go through Edward in the water. That will.
Ed's got your GoPro.
Darren got a bacon egg muffin.
He's under there. Xavier would be proud.
I hope there's a good video coming out of this.
I know, there should be. I'm sure she's got some good footage.